How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. Now, simply take a picture like this, and now if you want to save it, on your bottom navigation bar in left corner, you will find the save button, and then simply select to save to memories and camera roll, and it will be saved to your gallery as well. Now if you want to save the already existing photos in your memories, simply go to your camera again, go to the memories section, and then select the image that you want to download. Now what you will have to do is tap on send to, and then here you will find an option of download, and it will be downloaded to your gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.